When you talk about the factory of the future, there's some fundamental things you have to have in place to do that. You have to be able to integrate with systems, both upstreams and downstreams. You need to be able to bring all your data together across your entire manufacturing enterprise, whether that's a single site, whether that's multiple sites, and you need to be able to use analytics out of that information to help transform your manufacturing operations. This is what drives the factory of the future. It provides a centralized system. It provides a tool and a platform which to build upon. It provides the analytics, the self-serve analytics that allow you to understand what you're doing in your entire enterprise with regard to manufacturing and instigate change and transformation in that to drive yourself to the factory of the future. It supports those elements. That's part of where we're going and where manufacturers have to go if they're going to continue to be successful. They have to do these steps.